You say you're serving where?
14 did half year, sir.
You said?
14 did half year.
14D.
14 did half year.
14 brigade and half year.
Yes, sir.
What's your name?
That's Kabla Chukwuka.
Eh?
That's Kabla Chukwuka.
That's compatible.
Yes, sir.
How do they see what you did?
Well, sir, it's very, very wrong.
Eh?
It's very, very wrong of me.
How can you go and carry someone for nothing? You have to use. Look at bring that ass. Look at the kind of ass you use on a fellow human being, and they rip him of everything he had. How much do people collect for him? I'm asking you.
Sir, he sent
How much?
5
How much?
5 M to the guy.
5
M. 4,999,000.
4,999,000.
99,000. Young man sent 1.5.
Look at what he. Where is the handcuff you used on him?